Okay, so we got another great one for you. Now this one right here, it's kind of one of those really cool pieces of property that's hard to really get on camera. But if you notice the old love shack right there, of course it's not in any good shape or anything, but it overlooks, I could not get a picture of it just because of the thickness of the brush and everything, but there is a cascading waterfall right over from it. I would have loved to got a great shot of it, but I just couldn't get it in there. So it's a really cool place. Very, very private. If you could put you a nicer little cabin right there in the woods, that would be fabulous. There's no power back in there. It would be something that would have to be off-grid, but talk about a private place. There is lots of trails on this piece of property. It was timbered several years ago. As you can tell from the woods, it wasn't timbered hard. But there's trails everywhere from back when it had been timbered. And if you like hiking or taking out the side-by-side and that sort of thing, you can spend hour after hour after hour doing that. Nature back in that area, tons and tons of deer and turkey and so on, so the sportsman would love it. And of course with those trails, if you harvest a deer back there, it wouldn't be hard to get out, which is good. There's a road that goes back through this piece of property, but it's rough road. You wouldn't want to take your beloved pavement princess back there, but it's fine for a Jeep or something like that, going back in, or side by side ATV. It's cool for that. The woods themselves, of course, as you can see, is just fabulous. Really lush green forest. It's one valley, and then whenever you look at the maps and stuff, it goes over into the next valley, which would be directly behind me, over in the next valley as well. So this is one that you really need to come and see to appreciate it, because it is so pretty. You can see over to the right there, dropping in that other valley. That's part of it too, and that's why I kind of flew over that way, so you can kind of see down in that next valley as well. So anyway, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, and when you hit it, you want to make sure that you hit that little cartoon bell that will appear. That's called the notifications button. That'll give you a head start on our listings. It's on YouTube before it goes anywhere else. It goes to YouTube. So especially if you live out of state or whatever, that gives you a little bit of a leg up on the rest of the people that's looking at YouTube or looking at Zillow or Realtor or whatever. So give me a call. I'm Mike Greenlee. I'm the broker of Old Fences Realty. 304-377-3758 is my cell phone. And you guys have a wonderful day.